All right, let's look at the homework 2.2, problem number 10. All right, so we have this function, and we want to use a graphing utility to graph f and f prime. All right, so let's do that. So I'm going to just simply copy the function here. All right, Control C. And then I'm going to open up GeoGebra here, and I'm going to just type in, actually just a Control V to paste it. All right, it doesn't really work perfectly, but we can easily fix that. So you have x cubed, and here's x squared, and hit enter. All right, so this is the original function. We can move this guy and put it right in the middle if you want. All right, then GeoGebra actually knows how to take the derivative, so I'm going to let GeoGebra take the derivative for us. All right, so f prime of x, then hit enter. All right, so that's the derivative. All right, so graph-wise, you have this curve here, and it's like a parabola looking for the derivative. All right, let's pick the correct picture here. All right, so this is not it. Let's see. So this is probably the correct one. This is not it because the parabola is facing down. All right, so let's, whoop, actually, so I have to put something else here. All right. All right, let's check the answer here. All right, it came back and it looks like we have the picture correctly. All right, so then second part is find any points at which the graph has a horizontal tangent. All right, so let's look at GeoGebra here. All right, so horizontal tangent happens right here, and also horizontal tangent happens right there. So what you need to do is this. We need to find the place where the derivative is equal to 0, because the derivative tells us about the slope of the tangent line. We want the horizontal tangent line, which means that the slope has to be 0. So we set the derivative equal to 0, which are the x-intercepts of the f prime. All right. So let's find that. Well, there's a tool here down here called intersect. So we're going to use that. All right, so I'm going to click on this f prime and also click on the x-axis. Right, so it gives you the intersection point. Right, since we want to do 3 decimal places, so we can go to option, go to rounding, and then we can change that to 3 decimal places. So we have that. Right, then all you have to do is find the corresponding point, which is sitting up here. So what you need to do is, we can probably just do this. Find the corresponding point, y coordinate, for say negative 0.288. So I'm going to plug in negative 0.288 and then hit enter. All right. So we get the 1.617. So we're going to just go ahead and do that. So first point is negative 0.288. Right? Corresponding y value is 1.617. Right? So I'm going to put the 1.617. All right, the other point is going to be using 1.088, so we can plug in that x value into f, so 1.088, and typed in, you get the 0.315. So I'm going to put, so it's going to be 1.088, comma, 0.315. All right. Let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.